Today we are at Mellish Campground. It's not really a campground, it's sort of like just by the river. And it's the first camp that we've stopped at in Queensland, and it is mint. You're able to swim in the water, it's sunny, it's tree, and it's free. And it's just a little piece of heaven. Get a load of this place. So I'm just letting it sit there, and apparently it rises. Check it later, I'll tell you when.
No, ours is big, so we cut it up.
Cool.
Yeah, we cut it up because...
Is it chocolate? Chocolate bread?
No.
Okay, let's check the bread.
Check on the bread.
Yeah.
Can me and Megan see?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's just here.
Oh, there. Mommy.
Oh, it's grown a little bit.
Can I see?
Oh. She's rising. Nope. Oh my god. You burn yourself. Oh.
What?
It's a bit underwhelming, isn't it? Thought it was going to be like the size of the pot. Good, kids?
Yeah. I haven't tried yet.
Try it then. Yeah.
Delicious. Mmm. Wow.
Great entry into Queensland as you just cross the border, and this is one of the first camps you can camp at. We had dinner at the pub, which was okay. It was great fun. Yeah, you have to bring your own water. Obviously it's all off-grid completely, and you have to take your own rubbish away. So thanks so much for watching. Why don't you hit the like, subscribe and tick the bell, and we'll catch you at the next one.